Once there was an old man. He had 4 sons. He had everything in his life. But he was very anxious about his sons because they always kept quarreling with one another. Suddenly, an idea struck in his mind. He called all his 4 sons. He gave a stick to each of his sons and asked them to break it. All of them were surprised and were looking at the sticks, believing their father a fool man. Each of them tried and broke the sticks easily, with a smile on their faces. Then the father gave a bundle of the sticks to the eldest one and asked him to break it. The eldest son came forward arrogantly and tried his best, but he could not break the bundle. Trying many times, he left it. Then it comes the another son's turn. He also tried his best, but failed. Thus, every of them failed in this task. No one could break the bundle. Now the guys looked at one another and realized the lesson behind the trick by his father. They hugged one another and felt sorry for their past deeds. They hugged their father too with a smile on their faces. And the tears of happiness are rolling down from the eyes of a happy father and his sons. So the moral of the story is, if you are divided, you are nothing and sure to fall, while if you are united, you are powerful and sure to stand. So stay united and lead a happy life. Thank you guys.